much fish in all will each type of boat brings in 7 strips? So a log boat, it brings 20 kgs of fish in one strip. Long tail boat, it takes 600 kgs of fish in one strip. Motorboat, it takes 800 kgs of fish in one strip, and machine boat, it takes 6000 kgs of fish in one strip. So we have to find how much will each type of boat brings in 7 strips. So to find out how much each boat brings in 7 fish, we will multiply it each with 7. That is 20 into 7, that is 140. So in 7 strips, log boat brings 140 kgs of fish. Next is log tail boat. So this is 600 into 7. So 6 into 7 is 42 and 2 zeros. So it brings 4200 kgs of fish. Motorboat, 800 into 7, that is 5600 kgs in 7 strips. And machine boat, that is 6000 into 7, this is 42,000 kgs. So in 7 strips, log boat, it takes 140 kgs of fish, long tail boat 4200 kgs of fish, motorboat 5600 kgs of fish, and machine boat 42,000 kgs of fish.